Why do you want to be an investor in Bacanora Lithium? Because we are going to be the next development company moving down the production profile to be a lithium producer by 2023. I can't think of any other company that has such strong shareholder support, such strong technical support from its investors, and a funding package that will be achieved next quarter. So yes, the next lithium producer and hitting a sweet spot in the supply-demand cycle in 2023. Bacanora is a lithium development company operating in Sonora in northern Mexico. We've been working on the Sonora lithium project for the last 4.5 years to produce battery-grade lithium in Mexico for export to Asia. We have significant shareholder support. Ganfeng Lithium, second largest lithium producer in the world, is a 30% shareholder in Bacanora and a 50% off-taker. Hanwha Corporation is a major shareholder and a 50% off-taker. We also have M&G as a 20% shareholder, so significant shareholder support. Current timetable is to complete engineering and start construction of the project in 2021 and be producing lithium for export to Asia by 2023. So Ganfeng originally came in as a project level investor at 22.5%. They spent the last 2 years reviewing the project, carrying out detailed design, producing lithium products from our material in China, and obviously now have a significant confidence in the project and have increased from 22.5% to 50%. For Bacanora shareholders, obviously strong support from the second largest lithium producer in the world, and now the funding requirement for the project has been substantially de-risked. So combined with the debt financing we have from Red Kite Mine Finance, and currently we have almost $50 million in the bank, the investment by Ganfeng has significantly enhanced shareholder value and reduced development risk. There's about 220,000 tons of lithium production each year, predominantly going into the Asian battery market. Asian producers make about 90% of the world's lithium batteries. That market is growing significantly with increased EV demand, renewable energy demand. People like Roskill are predicting that the market will grow from current 220,000 tons to about 1 million tons a year by 2027, and then significantly after that. So the market is currently coming off a 12-month oversupply glut from Australia. Prices have firmed 15-20% in the last quarter, and we're looking at a supply-demand imbalance by 2023, which coincides with when Bacanora is going to be in production in Mexico, selling into the Asian market. We're at a place where we can move very quickly from the engineering stage, which will be finished in Q1 next year, into the development stage by mid next year and be in production by 2023. So I can't think of any other development company that will have a profile as quick as ours that can bring a project into production with such strong support in such a short period of time. The next 6 to 12 months is very busy for us. We're going to complete engineering, we're going to complete the project development plan, we're going to start construction in mid-2021, and obviously move through that development stage and be in production by 2023. So over the next 12 months you'll see a lot of news from Bacanora as we move from engineering into development into construction, and then produce our first lithium in 2023. Growth in electric vehicle demand is sitting somewhere between 15 and 20% this year compared to about 5% last year. The Asian market, specifically the Chinese market, is predicting 2 million EVs by the end of 2021. Significant growth in Germany, both from Volkswagen and the other automotive producers, is showing that the world is going to move down from internal combustion engines to electric vehicles over the next 5 years. Lithium is integral to that. You cannot build an electric vehicle without a lithium battery, and you cannot build a lithium battery without lithium. If you take a high performance car, like a sports car, then you're looking at about 70 to 100 kilos of lithium per application, per EV. Multiply that by 20-30 million vehicles, and you'll see that demand is increasing very quickly in the EV space. So lithium is integral to electric vehicles, lithium is integral to renewable energy storage, and lithium is integral to basically getting the world carbon neutral by 2040 or 2050.